So we're going to do some readings here, and I'm going to share my tablet screen because my cards are on Deckible, which is a fantastic app. And let me get that set up. Okay, so next person here has some. I'm feeling into their energy to know what cards to pull here. Feels like there is some anxiety. So how many cards would be beneficial? Two again. We'll go with two. So let me look through these. Oh, that one jumped out. Oh, there we go. And this one jumped out. Okay, we will go with that. Move you down. Okay, so this first one is about ease and flow in life. And it's about organizing dysfunctions in the kidneys and bladder, transmuting fear into courage. I think that is going to be a theme here. Remaining calm in difficult situations, connecting to the creator in you, and the ability to be at ease with others. And I would say to be at ease when you're around others, especially in difficult circumstances, when you've had to have courage to go into it. And I think you would understand that. All right. And then this one is about passion for life. I think this one's really great. It's about clearing and organizing dysfunction in the heart, the pericardium, which can also be referred to as the heart protector. In some areas, it's also, when it's in dysfunction, called a heart wall because it's not flexible and giving, it's protecting so hard that it's become hard and rigid. Small intestines, which have to do with feel good hormones, and the energy storage fields. So in Chinese medicine, that's the three energy storage fields, your body battery. And when your body battery is low, it is harder to take on all the wonderful things of life, including courage from the other card. And it's about receiving love and kindness freely, but also giving love and kindness freely. And oftentimes we think of giving, but it's very difficult to receive it. Even when it's just for some people, what they can give to you for you to receive can be very, very tiny. But to recognize it and be grateful for the crumb that they gave you can help add to your passion in life. To be in awe of the beauty around you in any situation. So look for the beauty each day, even when you're just in not a good place, if you can look for that beauty. And offer your passions and unique qualities to contribute to the community. So what are you contributing? What are you offering? We've all been given great insight and talents and understanding that we can offer to our community. and community being where you live, but also in your family, in your church, in your social situations at work, anywhere that there is a gathering of more than one person. That is a community. So we will, the statements we want to be in congruence with is I love and accept myself. I am calm. And just if you have this deck, you can pull these cards up. These images will also help bring you into that state. And I love and explore all possibilities. I am receptive. So we are going to, for this card, we will put our hands over the collarbone. So anytime you feel afraid or you're confused about what direction, you don't know what to do, this is a really good place to support with your hand, to give yourself support, especially when you don't feel like you have support from others around you. Support yourself in love by putting your hands, it's just under the collarbone, but your hand's big, so it covers a lot of acupuncture points here. And the other one is over your heart, which in any of these, hands over your heart space, is very powerful because it is kind of the emperor empress of your kingdom. So whatever when you support that, it can send the proper messages to all the other places in your body to get them online. So if in doubt, hands over the heart. Support that in love, to let your heart know that you support it, to let your heart protector know that it's not the only thing protecting your heart and all the other areas of your system. So let us flip to the statements. So hand first on your collarbone area. I forgive myself for being quiet so I won't be abandoned or rejected. Ooh, take a deep breath. I love and accept myself, even if others do not. And breathe. I am free to voice an opinion. And breathe. That was good. And that's card number 7. And the other one, hands on your heart space. I forgive myself for resisting opportunities for change. And breathe. I give myself permission to joyfully receive abundance. And breathe. I am free to open my heart to new experiences. And breathe. And I think this is the courage to open your heart to new experiences and let your heart protector relax and know that you're in good hands. So that was cards 7 and 17. And now we'll say, I love and accept myself. I am calm. Feels better. I love and explore all possibilities. I am receptive. And breathe. And you can share these cards if you have the Deckible app. You can either take a screenshot and use it as a background on your phone, or you can share it to something that you open up frequently to see it as a picture. So there's lots of applications after journaling with this. But let's go ahead and watch the video. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. In this balanced state, you are free. There is nothing to be anxious about. You are confident in your love and emotions. You are confident in your service to others. You are happy being strong and whole in each moment. You are focused and confident in your decisions, regardless of the opinions of others. And that could be another affirmation you can put down is I am strong and whole. And now we'll watch this video. Oh, no. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. The universe desires to bring you joy, offering up opportunities you may not understand yet, but in time will bring greater love into your heart. Embrace all that life has to offer you. It may not be where you thought you were going. It will always be so much better. Okay, that is great. Journal on that.